If you are confused about mask and clipping mask, or you don't know even what is the difference between them, in this tutorial I'll make it very easy for you to understand how and when to use each of them. Now get ready, we are starting. Now we are starting with clipping mask, and for this I will draw this circle. I will fill it with this color, and now by tapping on the layers here, I will create a new layer above, tap on it, and tap on clipping mask. Clipping mask let you apply colors, texture, shading, or details only within the shape of the layer below it. So what I'm gonna do now is to start adding some lines here to understand what I mean. I will pick up this green color and start drawing. As you see, I'm just drawing inside this circle because I easily clipped it to the layer below here. The clipping mask clips itself to that shape, to the circle. Let me add another. For example, if I want to shade this circle, I will just go to multiply mode and choose the soft brush, and I will choose the lighter shade of this pink, and I will start adding shades to this circle. So I'm just drawing inside this circle because I clipped the layer mask to this circle. So you can use clipping mask when you want to add shading, blush, lightening, or texture to the shade, and it's perfect for coloring inside the lines without worrying about cleaning up. For example, if I want to clean this, I can do that easily without impact the circle. Let me give you another example to make it clear. For example, I have this character and I have the pants on a separate layer. So what I'm gonna do now is to create a new layer and enable clipping mask. I will choose the multiply mode and I will pick up the light purple color to add some shades to it. I will keep using the soft brush and I will make it smaller. By doing this, I'm just adding the shades to the bands without even coloring, for example, the other elements, just like the blouse here or the character itself. So I'm just adding the shades for the bands here. So whatever you draw will stay perfectly inside the shape below. Even if I want to clean up the shades, I will not clear the bands below because I'm just adding the shades here in the clipping mask layer. So what is mask? Mask is a non-destructive way to hide or reveal parts of your artwork instead of deleting them. For example, let me create a new layer here above, and I will choose the green color and I will take the monoline brush. Now I'll start drawing those shapes. For example, and I will fill them with green color. Now I want to create mask. Once I do this, I will get here a new layer. It's layer mask. By tapping on this layer, the color here will change to white. I'll pick up the soft brush color. If I change my mind and I want to remove those shapes, I can easily pick up the pure black, tap on layer mask here, and start coloring above the shapes, just like this. And now I have my artwork clean without any changing of it. If I change my mind and I want to bring those shapes back, I can easily pick up the pure white by using the same brush. I can bring them back just like this. It's super easy. So mask gives you full control without losing any of your original work. I use this technique to erase parts of my drawing without actually deleting anything, and to create smooth shadows, lightning, and texture fades. I use it also to fix shape without redrawing them. Let me give you another example to understand exactly what I mean by mask. For example, I have this drawing and I want to add some lightning and shading for it. So what I want to do now is to create a layer above this one, and I will set it to multiply mode, choose this color, and I will fill this layer. So what I'm gonna do now is to creating mask, and I will start cleaning the areas that I don't want. I will pick up the soft brush, I will set it to black, and now I'll start erasing the areas that I want to keep it bright, just like this. I can, for example, create a new layer for adding some lights, just like this. And if I change my mind and I want to make, for example, this area darker, I simply choose the layer mask here and picking up the pure white. By using the soft brush, I can bring back the shadows to my drawing. So it's super easy. I hope you guys understand the difference between them. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.